Hey dear, this is Vamsing, and today we are here to implement the image in the HTML file and to animate this image with the help of CSS file. So this is very interesting to implement the image in the HTML file, and the animation of the image is very interesting to see that. Okay, and you can see there is general format of the HTML file. This is document type which is declared for the HTML5, and this is HTML tag which is the root tag for the HTML. This is head tag, and this is the linking for the HTML file. This is link, and type is the text type, and CSS with the and CSS file, and CSS file which is related to the style sheet, because CSS file is used to styling the HTML content, and href which is provided the address for the CSS file, c.css. This is the CSS file. So, and title provided to the HTML file is HTML document, and here we can see the body tag. In the body tag we have to write div, and we have to close the div tag by the backward slash and div. We have to define a class in the div tag. Class is, and we can define the class hey. Okay, and in the div tag we can assign the image by img. Okay, and img which is used for the image, and we have to provide the source src for the source, by which we have to get the the image file. So to get the image we have to provide the source, and firstly we have to choose one image to implement on the HTML file. So this HTML file and this CSS file is saved here in the desktop website and VB4. Here this is h.html and c.css. Okay, and here we can see images. This is the image. This is the image. Okay, so we have to see that the extension of the image extension is .jpg. Okay, so we have to save this image by f.jpg. Okay, so as we can see, this is the HTML file h.html and c.css. So from the h.html we have to go in the images folder, and we have to get f.jpg. Okay, so here we can access this images folder. Okay, slash f.jpg. Okay, and we have to close this image. Okay, so this is completed, and we have to save this, save, and run from here. this is the image. So we can provide the styling for this image. So we can provide the styling with the hey class in this CSS class, in this CSS file. So as you know, the class hey is declared by the dot html in CSS file. Okay, okay. Here we can provide the styling. Okay, 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 okay. Box shadow, box shadow. Mm, 2px, 1px, gray. Okay, save and check it. Refresh. Provide more size for the shadow, 10 px. Save. Firstly, we have to provide a box for this image, like div in the div tag, div, and we have to close this here, div. Okay, here we can provide the class. Class is equal to, we can provide a class like f, and here in the f class we have to provide the styling. Okay, we can provide the height, each 100 pixel. We can provide with 100 pixel, and we can provide border like 1px solid red. Here you have to assign the border to analyze that what is the size of the content which is so. Okay, we can say this is the border, but it is very little. So here, okay, okay. Here, height, it's equal to 500 px, width is equal to 400 px, and same here 500 px, 500, 400 px, and save. Refresh. Okay, yeah, img, because this is the class A, and to get on the image we have to provide the address image. So image, we can add image and save. Okay, and refresh. Okay, this is and here we can see the box shadow. If we are provide much more, then unsave and refresh, then we can see this is the shadow. This is the shadow. Then there is no shadow, and if we active this, then there is the shadow. So we can provide the shadow for the image. So this is very much. So we can provide 5 pixel and 5 pixel and 3 pixel. Okay, here 2 pixel. Save. So wow, this wow looks good. Okay, so here we can provide animation. Okay, and we can provide the key like note and animation time 1000 seconds and each in out. Okay, and we have to declare here the key. There is keyframe no. Okay, yeah, the keyframe no, then it is of 0%. Then deg degree 30, 30